And these new shipments of the Moderna vaccine are still part of phase 1, meaning they will go to healthcare workers and residents and staff inside long-term care facilities.
Denver 7's Gary Brode talked to some inside those nursing homes who say the mood is changing now that the vaccine is here.
It's more than a vaccine to those inside senior care facilities.
But it represents hope.
It's a lifesaver in my mind.
Delane Holdeman's 92-year-old mother lives in the Good Samaritan Society Senior Living Resort in Windsor. The last time she hugged her mom, not surrounded in plastic, was in March.
The hugging wall was great, but the plastic was there between us, and so it was good, and I could feel her warmth. But a real live hug with my mom is priceless, and I'm looking forward to that.
When the two can finally embrace is still up in the air, but Chief Medical Officer at Good Samaritan Society hopes that time can be soon.
Spring feels like, a conservative hope around maybe that's when it starts to look a little bit more like what we're used to.
It's been a lonely 9 months for long-term care residents living in isolation.
To have our residents to not be able to see their newborn grandchild or to be able to celebrate a 100th birthday with their friends and family, it's heartbreaking at times.
Julie Lee cares for these vulnerable Coloradans. She had to completely change her routine to keep residents safe.
We just can't live normal life. Even within our community here, our residents and staff, we have to dine separately. It is tough on our social aspect.
But Lee says the mood has changed among staff and residents, knowing the vaccine is within reach.
As silly as it may sound, we're looking forward to playing bingo. They want to know exactly when they can stop wearing their masks and when we can start eating in the dining room again.
The vaccines won't be stored inside these senior care facilities. Instead, pharmacists will be going into the facilities to administer the shots in the next few weeks.
We've been assured around them wearing proper PPE and having testing beforehand.
The pharmacists will come to the facilities multiple times to administer both rounds of shots. Holdeman says her mother will be getting the vaccine.
And then down the road, maybe we'll get to do that live hug.
Gary Brode, Denver 7.